everyone, today I've got a quick tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your DJI Osmo Action 6. Maybe you're selling your camera or you just want a fresh start. This is how you do it. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So I should say make sure all of your footage is backed up before you do this. You don't want to lose any videos or photos that are important to you. Now from our main screen here with the DJI Osmo Action 6 on, we're going to go ahead and swipe down from the top. And in the top right hand corner, you're going to see a little gear or sprocket there. If we tap on that, that'll open up all our main settings in the camera. And we can go ahead and swipe through here. And we need to go right to the very bottom. And you'll see an option here that says Factory Reset. You can go ahead and select that. And then it says Restore to Factory Settings. And you can cancel here if you want to go back, or you can go ahead and hit Confirm. Now, again, make sure everything's backed up. And we'll go ahead and hit Confirm. And it's going to start resetting and restarting. Give it a few seconds. Osmo. And now we can go ahead and select our language and reset it back up, and it's reset to factory conditions. And really it's that simple to factory reset your DJI Osmo Action 6.